The skeletal system is mainly made of bones. These bones form a framework in our body called as skeleton. These together make up the skeletal system. The skeletal system protects our body. The skeleton is made of different types of bones. The framework within our body is called skeleton. It gives shape and support to our body. It protects soft and delicate organs inside the body from injury. Skeleton is made of bones which are of different size and shape. Our body has 206 different bones. Bones of head, shoulder blades, hip are made of flat bones. Bones of arm and legs are long bones. Bones in our palm and feet are short bones. Bones in spine are irregular bones. Functions of skeleton. Skeleton gives form, shape and support to our body. Bones are hard and strong, so they cannot bend. Skull protects brain. Backbone protects spinal cord. Rib cage protects heart and lungs. Hip bone protects kidneys. Muscles are attached to skeleton and this makes the movement possible. The long bones of skeleton contain a cavity which is filled with soft, fatty material called bone marrow. Blood cells are made in the bone marrow. The red blood cells contain a red substance called hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from lungs to all the parts of body. Parts of skeleton. Our skeleton has skull, backbone, limbs, girdles and rib cage. Skull is box-like structure which has 8 flat bones in the upper part and 14 bones in the face part. So it has total 22 bones. Skull rests on the backbone. Backbone has 33 small bones called vertebrae which form vertebral column. Spinal cord is enclosed in backbone and is protected by it. Backbone is joined to skull at upper end. There are 2 pairs of limbs, a pair of 4 limbs or arms and a pair of hind limbs or legs. Limbs are made up of long bones fitted together. Upper arm has only one long bone called humerus. Lower arm has 2 bones called radius and ulna, a wrist bone, and small bones in fingers. Upper arm, join the lower arm at elbow. Upper leg is made up of strong, long bone called femur or thigh bone. Femur is largest and strongest bone of our body. Lower leg has two bones, tibia and fibula. Ankle bones and smaller bones in toes. Upper leg meets the lower leg at the knee. There are two pairs of girdles, a pair of shoulder girdle and a pair of hip girdle. Girdles lie on either side of backbone and are fixed to it. Rib cage is formed by 12 pairs of long curved bones called ribs, in which 10 pairs are joined at the front to breastbone. Last two pairs are free and are called floating ribs. Point where two or more bones meet is called joint. Movable joints are of four types. Pivot joint is present between skull and first vertebra. It allows movement in maximum directions. Ball and socket joint is present in shoulder and hip. It allows movement in all the directions. Hinge joint is present in knee and elbow. It allows movement forward and backward. Gliding joint is present in wrist and ankle.